I got to learn while I was on the help desk all about the different ERP systems. I wasn't even sure what ERP stood for when I first started here. So being on the help desk, I kind of got my hands dirty in all the different sections of the organization, from backups to infrastructure to JD Edwards. I was kind of involved in all of that. But ultimately my goal was to be able to write code and be a software engineer. That's kind of what computer science is about, is learning the really deep inner workings of how computers work and how the code runs everything. So that was my passion through school. Yeah, I went from help desk to infrastructure. I was on infrastructure for, I don't know, maybe a year or so. And during that time, they kind of started branching out and wanting to have some software engineers write some custom software to help. It started out as just kind of an idea. They brought Eric in, and Eric and I and a few other people kind of started brainstorming, coming up with some basic ideas on how Clarity would work and how we'd build software for JD Edwards. So it's been really neat to see how one little idea has kind of grown into different products that we build to support JD Edwards. I don't know, I guess I always envisioned that I'd go into a company that already has a well-established product and be doing one little piece of something off to the side when I started. And so it's been awesome to be able to come in and be like the lead developer on a whole entire product. And I get to do the UI and the back end and the design. From start to finish, I'm kind of the one that's making the decisions and building this whole product. And then I never envisioned that I'd be doing mobile development on iOS and Android, and it's probably my favorite thing to do now, and it's kind of what I want my career to be based on. First of all, I love what I do at work. I love programming. I love the kind of flexibility and the openness to have my own ideas and to develop what I want, and kind of work with a few other people to make an entire product. I mean, some of the co-ops that we brought in, one of them has built an entire app from scratch for another customer. I don't know of many other co-ops where you'd be able to kind of be on your own and build an entire mobile app and kind of make all the decisions yourself. And so I think that's a huge plus.